today's video, I'm gonna talk about my new ebook. So basically the 5 keys to lose fat forever. So I've basically written this ebook a while ago. It's been probably a few months ago, but I haven't officially launched it yet. I haven't officially put it out for everyone to, get it. So that's why I'm making this video now for an announcement, so you guys know you can basically get it. Okay? Because as you guys know, I'm also gonna make a video on that tomorrow. But I'm officially launching, my website. Which is gonna be a little more professional, because just now I don't have anything, to put my products on. You just have to email me or send me a DM on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube even, or send me an email. That's just, I want to make it a little more professional. So I've created my website. I'm gonna make a video on that, and then from that video on, I'm gonna link my website and all of my products on every YouTube video from that point on. I'm also gonna link my website on Instagram in my bio. I'm also gonna link it in my Facebook page. You can go check that out. That's all in the fucking description. But I'm very excited to talk about my new ebook. It's called 5 Keys to Lose Fat Forever. Now, this is not a 400-page ebook. It's basically a pamphlet. I didn't want to drag out all the pages. I didn't want to overcomplicate shit. I just want to stick straight to the point. So when I say 5 keys to lose fat forever, it basically is 5 keys and nothing else. I don't talk about it. I don't talk about any bullshit. I just get straight to the point. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is my first product. Many more definitely to come next year. So this is not perfect, but it's definitely gonna help you out. If you get this ebook, I almost guarantee it's gonna help you guys out. If you want to make some results, lose some weight, it's definitely gonna help you. If you stick to these 5 keys, you're definitely gonna make results. I guarantee that shit. You're definitely gonna make results. Now, I've been thinking, should I put it on for free? Should I put it on just for €1? And I finally decided, when I put it on as free, then basically, all the non-serious guys can get it, so if you get something for free, then there's no guarantee you're gonna stick to that shit. You're not gonna be, you're just not gonna care about it that much, because you haven't paid anything for it. So this is what I decided. I'm gonna put it on my website for €1. Just one. Everyone can spare €1. It's like you're literally throwing $1 or $2 a day in a coffee machine. So, and I'm not doing this that specifically to make a lot of money, because €1 is fucking nothing. I'm just doing this because I want to filter out all of the serious people and all the not serious people. Because when you put it on free, you just get both of that, in one box, which I don't want. I want, people that are really serious about making results, about making progress, getting lean. Those serious people can go on my website, get it for €1, and they're definitely gonna make results. If they stick to these things that I explain in the ebook, they guaranteed 100% are gonna make results. You know, there's no bullshit. It's a quick read, you know, quick read, quick, you know, you just take the tips I explain, you apply them to your routine, to your diet, and you're gonna make progress. 100%. So that's why I want to filter out the guys who are not serious, because those guys that are not serious, you know, you can get on the internet, you see free ebook, you're gonna get that shit, and you know, you're just gonna fly through that shit and you're not gonna do anything. You're not gonna take action on those tips. So, but if you pay something for it, you know, if you have to take out of your pocket a little bit of your hard-earned money, then you're gonna take action. You know, it's like having accountability. You know, so it's like getting just a program, and on the other hand, someone being there with you during the whole process. You know, so it's a kind of accountability. So that's what I decided. €1, you know, it's just because I want to filter out the people who are serious about making progress and the people who are not. You know, because let's be honest with yourself, guys. If you get a free ebook, and you've probably gotten a few in the past, how much action have you taken on those ebooks? Probably none, you know. But if you have to pay for something, then you're almost definitely gonna take action on that, because you had to spend some money. So, and guys, remember, €1 is definitely worth it, you know, for this. I know it's not, you know, the world's greatest ebook, which I'm not gonna bullshit you guys, but if you get it and you take action on those tips, then you're definitely gonna make progress. If you apply those tips, you will definitely make progress. 100% guaranteed you're gonna make progress. So if you want to get it, if you're serious about making progress, then definitely check out my website in the description. I'm also gonna put a separate link with just the ebook, you know, that's also on my website. If you guys want more help, you can go check out the coaching. I'm gonna put up a separate link on that. But guys, this ebook is definitely worth it. You know, I'm really proud of this. I'm also gonna make better ones in the future. You can trust me on that. But I'm really proud of it, you know, because it's definitely gonna help you out, 100%. Plus, you know that €1 is to support, you know, me and my channel, because I have a lot of free shit. You know, all of these videos are free. You can basically get 99.9% of all the fitness information from my free YouTube channel, from my videos, which right as of today I have over 300-400 videos, and by next year I'm gonna have 1,000 videos. So you got a lot of free shit, and this is to support my channel if you get the ebook for €1. And you know, it filters out the serious guys and the not so serious guys. So check out the links in the description, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out.